How to pay with Bank of America digital card. To use the digital card, you first need to be approved for online banking, specifically mobile banking, with Bank of America. If you haven't done this yet, go to the Bank of America website and register for online banking. Once you have your online banking ID and password, you can access the mobile app and start setting up your digital card. Open the latest version of the app from the Play Store or App Store, sign in with your banking ID and password, and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. Inside the menu, go to Manage Credit Debit Cards to see all the cards linked to your Bank of America account. If you don't see a card, visit the nearest branch or contact customer support. Here you can manage your cards, lock them, replace them, or set limits. If you only want to use a digital card, find the Digital Wallets option at the bottom. If you don't see this button, it means the selected card cannot be added to a digital wallet. Once you tap Digital Wallet, you'll see wallets like Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, or Samsung Wallet. Choose one. Agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll be redirected to the respective app or website to confirm everything. The card will be automatically set up, and you can use it for purchases. You can repeat this process for as many cards as you have and remove cards from the digital wallet anytime. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.